Welcome back. So, isa na namang panibagong araw ng pag-aaral natin ng mathematics. And today we will be talking about division of polynomials. Okay, so before we start, what is a polynomial? So, for an expression to be a polynomial term, any variables in the expression must have whole number powers, or else the understood power of 1, as in x raised to 1, which is normally written as x. Or a plain number can also be a polynomial term. For an expression to be a polynomial term, it must contain no square roots of variables, no fractional or negative powers on the variables, and no variables in the denominators of any fractions. Okay, so yun yung mga conditions para maging polynomial siya or makonsider siyang polynomial. So these are our examples of polynomials. Okay, so we have 4x squared. So polynomial siya. We have 5 raised to 2 over 3 all over 4. X raised to 47. Okay? So, polynomial din to, kahit medyo complex. Okay? Kung titingnan nyo, merong fraction na exponent. However, considered polynomial pa rin yan kasi ay wala naman sa variable yung exponent na fraction. Nasa coefficient siya. Okay? So, we have that. And then, we have here square root of 3x. Okay, so polynomial din to. It is considered to be a polynomial kasi kahit na meron siyang radical term here, kahit may radical term siya, nasa coefficient naman yon, wala sa variable. Okay, so as long as wala sa variable yung fractional exponent or yung radical sign natin or yung square root or yung radical symbol natin, or wala ding negative na exponent yung variable, and also wala din sa denominator yung variable, so that is a polynomial. Okay? Here are our examples of not polynomials. So ito, hindi ito mga polynomial. 6x raised to negative 2. Hindi siya polynomial dahil dun sa negative 2 na exponent. Okay? Then we have 1 over x squared. Hindi siya polynomial dahil ang denominator niya ay x squared. Okay? And then we have the square root of x. Hindi rin to polynomial dahil dun sa square root of x. Yung x kasi yung ine-extract. Okay? Or nasa loob ng radical sign yung variable na x. So, hindi sila polynomials. Okay? So, tandaan, these are the conditions for polynomial terms. Okay, so polynomial has operations as well. So, for today, we will be talking about division. Example, we have 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 8x plus 15 divided by x minus 3. So, may dalawang method sa pag-solve ng polynomials that are being divided. So, yung una, we have long division. Okay, so sa long division, normal na process lang din ng pagdi-divide. Para ka lang nagdi-divide ng number. Okay, however, ang kaibahan lang, instead of simple numbers, polynomials yung i-divide. So, example, we have the given 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 8x plus 15. So, di-divide natin siya sa x minus 3. So, para ma-divide yan, you will first divide 2x cubed by x. Okay? Para malaman natin kung ano yung ilalagay natin dito sa portion na to or sa quotient na yon. Okay, so we have that 2x cubed divided by x. The answer is 2x squared. Okay? Bakit naging 2x squared? Kasi x cubed divided by x ay square. Okay? And 2 divided by 1. 1 yung numerical coefficient ng x natin na to. So, that is 2. So, we have 2x squared there. Then, mumultiply natin. Para makuha naman natin yung nandito, so we will multiply 2x squared by x minus 3. So, we have 2x squared times x and 2x squared times negative 3. The answer for that is 2x cubed minus 6x squared. Okay? Kasi 2x squared times x, 2x cubed. 2x squared times negative 3, that is negative 6x squared. Okay? Then, once we got the product, dahil nakuha na natin yung product, so we will subtract them. Parang nagdi-divide lang din talaga tayo ng simple numbers. So, 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, that is 0. Negative 5x square minus negative 6x square. So, we have x square. Okay? Bakit naging x square? Kasi negative times negative, that will be positive. So, magiging positive yung 6x square natin. Then, babawasan siya ng 5x square. So, we have x square. Sa nakuha tong negative 8x, ito naman ay bringing down. Okay, then same process. Para makuha natin yung number na ilalagay natin dito o yung term na ilalagay natin doon, di-divide lang natin tong x square sa x. So, x square divided by x, that is x. Okay, so positive x. Then, same process ulit. Itong positive x, i-multiply natin sa x and sa negative 3. So, x times x, we will have, okay, x square. Then, x times negative 3, we have negative 3x. Okay. Then, after that, subtract lang ulit natin. Negative, or rather, x square minus x square, that is 0. Negative 8x minus negative 3x, the answer is negative 5x. Okay, so naging positive ulit yung 3x kasi ang operation natin dito ay subtraction. So, yung negative 8x binawasan ng 3x, so we have negative 5x. Or yung negative 8x binawasan ng negative 3x, so we have negative 5x. Then, itong 15, bring down lang ulit. Okay, then another similar process, divide mo yung negative 5x sa x para makuha yung ilalagay doon. So, we have negative 5. Negative 5x divided by x, we have negative 5. Then, multiply mo ulit, negative 5 times x and negative 5 times negative 3. Negative 5 times x, we have negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 3, we have positive 15. Okay. Then, once we obtain the results, subtract. Okay, negative 5x times minus negative 5x, that is 0. 15 minus 15, that is 0. So, 0 yung final result. So, there is no remainder. Therefore, the quotient of 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 8x plus 15 divided by x minus 3 is 2x squared plus x minus 5. So, yan yung quotient. That is our final answer. Okay? Then, let's have another method. Okay? So, this method is called the synthetic division. So, para sa synthetic division, kunin mo muna yung divisor. So, we have x minus 3. Then, dapat ay equate mo siya sa 0. So, we will have x minus 3 equals 0. Then, apply APE para yung negative 3 ay malipat sa kabila. So, we have x minus 3 plus additive inverse ng negative 3 ay positive 3. So, we have x minus 3 plus 3 equals 0 plus 3. Okay, negative 3 plus z is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. So, we have x plus, or x equals to 3. Okay, so, ang value ng x natin ay 3, or we have x equals to 3 there for our quotient. Then, we will use that. Okay, then, sunod naman, yung dividend natin, kukunin natin lahat ng coefficients and constants niya. Okay, so coefficients and constants niya, we have 2, negative 5, negative 8, and 15. So, yun yung coefficients and constant. Then, after that, dito sa reverse L natin na to, okay, so ilalagay natin doon yung 3 na nakuha. Okay, so ganito lang ang synthetic division. Then, after that, bring down mo muna yung first term or yung first constant or rather coefficient na nakuha natin. So, we have 2. Then multiply mo yan. 2 times 3. That is 6. Tapos proceed ka sa operation. Negative 5 plus 6. That is 1. Okay? Then multiply mo yung 1. 1 times 3. That is 3. Proceed ka sa operation ulit. Negative 8 plus 3. That is negative 5. Then, multiply mo ulit. Negative 5 times 3. Negative 15. Proceed sa operation. 15 minus 15 is 0. Okay, so, kung makikita nyo, ito na yung magiging coefficients and constant nung quotient natin dito sa division of polynomials natin. So, kailangan mo na lang ilagay yung variables nila. So, paano mo ma-identify yung variables? Since we have x cubed divided by x, so, the quotient should have an exponent of square. Okay? Bakit? Kasi x cubed divided by x is equal to x cubed or x raised to 3 minus 1. So, meron tong exponent na 1 sa division, sa rule ng exponents, or sa law of exponents. Pag magdi-divide ka ng algebraic term with similar variables, okay, so isa-subtract mo yung exponents nila. So, 3 minus 1, that is x square. Kaya, yung largest exponent dapat na magiging quotient natin ay x square. So, ilalagay mo lang yon. So, itong 2, lalagyan mo lang ng x square. Dahil positive tong 1, so, plus. Okay. Or, in proper mathematical expression, we will have 2x square plus x minus 5. Okay? So, ito na din yung final answer natin. Yan na yung quotient. Okay? So, similar, iisang set ng polynomials yung ginamit natin. Magkaiba lang ng process, pero similar yung sagot. Okay? So, alin man dito sa long division or synthetic division ay pwede mong gamitin. Kung alin man dito yung mas nadadalian ka. Okay, let's have another example. For example, we have 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. Try natin long division. Okay, so same process lang din kanina. So first, divide the first term with the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. So 2x cubed divided by x. So we have 2x squared. Then multiply mo yan. 2x squared times x, 2x squared times 2. So we have 2x cubed plus 4x squared. Kasi 2x squared times x ay 2x cubed. 2x squared times 2 is positive 4x squared. Next, subtract mo. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0. Negative 3x squared minus positive 4x squared. That is negative 7x squared. Okay? So, opposite operation or opposite sign, sinasubtract natin. So, instead of adding, we will simply subtract. Or instead of subtracting, we will add. Okay? Then, follow the sign of the larger number. Okay? However, bakit naging negative? Kasi nga, we have negative here. So, negative times 4x squared. So, negative 4x squared yun. Okay? Next, itong 4x natin, bring down lang yun. So, we have negative 7x squared plus 4x. Similar process ulit. Divide each first terms. Negative 7x squared divided by x, we have negative 7x. Itong negative 7x natin, multiply mo naman sa x tsaka sa 2. Okay? So, we have negative 7x times x is negative 7x squared. Negative 7x times 2 is negative 14x. Subtract natin yan. Negative 7x squared minus negative 7x squared is 0. 4x minus negative 14x, we have 18x. Okay, then bring down mo lang ulit yung 5. Okay, then for the last one, 18x divided by x, we have 18. 18 times x and 18 times positive 2. So we will have 18x plus 36. Okay, so 18 times x ay 18x, 18 times positive 2 is 36. Subtract mo. 18x minus 18x is 0. Positive 5 minus positive 36, that is negative 36. Or we will have positive 5 minus 36. Kaya negative 31 na yung naging result. Okay, so itong negative 31, that is our remainder. Remainder yan. Okay, so hindi mo ine-neglect yan. Hindi mo basta papabayaan lang yan. So to write the final answer, okay, we have 2x squared minus 7x plus 18. Then, since negative yung 31 natin, i-divide mo pa yan dito para maisama siya dun sa quotient natin. So we have minus 31 over x plus 2. Okay, so that is our final answer. We have 2x squared minus 7x plus 18 minus 31 over x plus 2. Okay, try naman natin sa synthetic division. Okay, so similar process. Yung divisor natin, equate mo lang sa 0. So we have x plus 2. Okay. We have x plus 2 equals 0. And proceed with APE, kaya nagkaroon tayo ng x equals to negative 2. Okay, then lumitaw na. Kunin natin yung constant and coefficients nung dividend natin. So we have 2, negative 3, 4, and 5. 2, negative 3, positive 4, positive 5. Okay, so we have that. Okay, then lagay natin dun sa reverse L yung negative 2. Then bring down the first coefficient. Multiply it with negative 2. 2 times negative 2, we have negative 4. Proceed with the operation. Negative 3 minus 4, we have negative 7. Then, multiply. Negative 7 times negative 2, 14. Positive 14. Proceed with the operation. 4 plus 14, we have 18. Multiply. 18 times negative 2, we have negative 36. Proceed with the operation. 5 minus 36, we have negative 31. Okay, so itong 2, negative 7, and positive 18, ito na yung coefficients and the constant. Then, kung makikita nyo ulit, itong negative 31, that is our remainder. Okay, hindi pa ulit natatapos. So, express lang ulit natin into algebraic expression. So, x cubed divided by x ay x square. So, highest exponent dapat nung magiging expression natin dito ay x square. So, we have 2x square minus 7x plus 18 minus 31 over x plus 2. Okay? So, ito na yung magiging final answer natin. Kung titingnan nyo dun sa long division natin, pareho lang din sila. Okay, so magkaiba ng process, isa ay long division, isa ay synthetic division, pero similar yung result. Okay, that means that any of the two process or any of the two ways of dividing polynomials can be used para makuha natin yung quotient ng dalawang polynomials na pinagdi-divide natin. Okay, so that's all for now. If you have questions, just write down your comments below para ma-discuss natin or mabigyan natin ng linaw sa mga susunod pa nating discussion. And thank you very much for watching and listening. And always keep safe.